Hey there, metal detector fans. Ready to find some hidden treasures without breaking the bank? Well, buckle up because we're about to take you on a thrilling ride through the best metal detectors under $300 for 2024. Join us on a journey through the world of affordable metal detecting, where you'll discover the warmth of top-notch features without burning a hole in your pocket. I have listed my top picks, carefully selected to provide you with the ultimate detecting experience without splurging. And hey, the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below, so make sure to check it out. Get ready to unleash your inner treasure hunter and embark on an adventure filled with excitement and anticipation. So grab your gear, let's dive into the world of affordable metal detecting together. Number 5. Pankey Metal Detectors. This stands out as my top pick for the best versatile. This awesome gadget rocks a sleek design and runs on batteries, so you won't have to stress about swapping them out all the time. It's got 5 different modes to make your treasure hunting more exciting, from all metal mode to pinpointer. You'll have everything you need to find those hidden treasures. With an upgraded DSP chip, this detector boasts 25% faster detection speed and pinpoint accuracy, making sure you don't miss a thing. Plus, the intuitive LCD display and backlight function make it easy to use, even in low light conditions. And get this, it comes with a 10-inch waterproof search coil, perfect for underwater detecting in shallow areas. Plus, it's adjustable in height and ergonomically designed for maximum comfort during those long hunts. Pankey even throws in a carry bag, steel shovel, high-quality earphones, and batteries, making it a great gift for any occasion. Number 4. Sakub's Metal Detector. For best features, this is the one I recommend the most. This sleek black detector runs on battery power and doesn't require any extra batteries, making it super convenient. With its 10-inch high-accuracy waterproof search coil, you can detect coins up to 10 inches deep, perfect for beach and shallow water hunting. Designed for both beginners and enthusiasts, this detector offers 3 modes of operation to easily identify different types of metals. Plus, the large LCD display makes it simple to read even in low light conditions. It's also adjustable in height, suitable for both adults and children, and comes with a complete accessories package, including a carry bag and shovel. With a worry-free 36-month warranty and strong customer service, you can trust this buddy to support you on your metal detecting journey. Number 3. Dr. Otek Metal Detector. Looking for the best one for adults? Then consider this one. This sleek black detector runs on batteries, so make sure you've got some handy before your treasure hunt. With 5 upgraded modes including pinpoint, all metal, discrimination, memory, and jewelry, it's perfect for both professionals and enthusiasts. The large LCD display makes it easy to read, even in low light, and the 9.8-inch wide search coil can locate coins up to 10-inch underground. Plus, it's waterproof, so you can even use it in shallow water. Adjustable stem and sensitivity levels make it suitable for adults of different heights and help you find your target faster. And with accessories like a premium headset, heavy-duty shovel, and carrying bag included, it's a great gift option too. Number 2. Garrett AC 300. If you want the best reliable, this is worth considering. This metal detector is powered by batteries and weighs about 2.8 pounds, making it easy to handle during your treasure hunts. It comes with a submersible search coil, perfect for exploring various terrains including shallow water. What's cool is that it includes 3 free accessories: volume control Garrett Clear Sound Easy Stow headphones, ACE environmental cover-up, and a 7-inch by 10-inch search coil cover. With its durable plastic construction and battery-powered operation, this metal detector is designed to last and help you uncover hidden treasures without any hassle. Number 1. Minlab Vanquish 340. And here's my top pick for the best overall. This cool metal detector comes in shiny gold and silver options, and it runs on batteries, so no need to stress about changing them all the time. It features simultaneous multi-frequency technology, automatically using 5 frequencies at once to search for all metals and all soils. With its turn on and go functionality, you don't need to mess around with frequencies or ground balance settings. Just switch it on and start detecting. Choose from 3 search modes: park, field, or beach, each with unique target separation and depth abilities, so you can focus on specific target types or ground conditions. Plus, it's lightweight at only 2.6 pounds and collapsible, making it easy to transport and store. And with audio control features, you're in complete control of your search experience. So there you have it, folks, our roundup of the best metal detectors under $300 for 2024. We covered some fantastic options that won't break the bank, but will still help you uncover some hidden treasures. Remember, if you're interested in any of the detectors mentioned, check out the links in the description for the latest prices. And if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow anglers, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all of our latest content, tips, and reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and happy hunting.